How dare you?
Everyone should know the truth. The stone heiress has fallen from grace, and now she's nothing but a pathetic, homeless peasant who lives out of her corn.
Let go!
Get her.
Oh no, this is my worst nightmare. The entire school finding out my secret. Thank you guys, though. I should go now. Seriously, you guys can let me go.
Can't let you go.
Let's go back in time.
You're my mate.
What is left will be just fine. What's left to find? What is left will be just fine.
Your blood is intoxicating. I can't let you go either, mate. Let me mark you. She is indeed gentle. Let the bond choose.
I don't want when I can decide I don't want. It's no drama.
That dream again. Who are those two guys?
Good morning, Ivy.
Good morning, Mr. Woods.
Took you a while to wake up. Come on, you gotta go. I opened up the locker room and you wash up before the other students arrive, all right?
Wait, what time is it?
Crap! Yeah, thank you, Mr. Woods. You're a lifesaver.
I'm Ivy Stone. Once, I was the Stone heiress. But then, Dad vanished and Mom slipped into a coma. I had to sell everything to pay for her medical bills. Now, I live out of my car and take showers at the school locker room. My biggest secret is still safe. Why keep it a secret? Because here, at Elysian High, the country's most elite high school, money, status, and power reign supreme. Case in point, the high school food chain. I used to be at the top. Richest family, cheer captain, quarterback boyfriend. But now, Skylar Hill has my crown. And my ex. I guess your worst nightmares always end up coming true, huh?
Guys, an entire entourage of fancy cars just pulled up. I think this little transfer student thing must be filthy rich!
What idiots would transfer into this hellhole?
Wait, are those guys?
They're from my dream.
Morning. Mutt.
What's up, bloodsucker?
Do they recognize me?
Of course they don't recognize me.
Class, please welcome our new transfer students, Sebasian Moonflame and Zane Vale.
Whoa, they're even hotter up close.
Those two are mine.
They'll need to shadow someone for the first week. I'll need 2 volunteers. Anyone interested?
Miss Bennett, as cheer captain, I know the school better than anyone. So you should obviously pick me.
I want her.
Let's go back in time.
Excellent choice. Ivy's our top student. Now then, who wants to guide Zane?
What is left will be just fine.
I wanted to.
I don't wanna
Bitch, you will pay.
Why does this feel like deja vu?
Good work today, everyone. Class dismissed.
On class, huh? How you feeling you lost? I know curriculum's probably hard for someone like you.
Don't you worry about yourself, Chalkface.
Okay, can you guys stop squishing me? I'll show you where your next class is. What period do you have?
P. Same here.
Great. All right. Let's go.
I can't believe they put us in the same school and the same class.
The treaty demands it, remember? Vampire heir and werewolf heir playing nice for peace.
Yeah, well, I'm playing nice. You know, here's a piece of advice. Stay out of my way. Why don't you go find a new human guide?
Sorry, can't do that. I'm having too much fun watching you lose your cool, mutt.
Call me Mutt one more time.
Guys, I'm sorry. I really don't want to be late.
something you just couldn't say to me.
Oh my god, are they making out? Oh my god, are they making out?
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to interrupt you. I don't want us to be late to class.
95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, and...
Oh, I thought I saw my friend.
Looks like broke bitch Ivy got a new entourage. 2 muscle-headed guard dogs.
Brady, are you jealous that all the girls think they're way hotter and that they basically stole your spotlight?
Bitch, how dare you? That's my fastest pitch, 100 miles an hour. That's impossible to catch.
And you call yourself a quarterback, huh? Keep practicing, rookie.
Oh my god! Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god, Brady.
This isn't over.
This feeling, could she be my mate?
Why is he looking at me like that?
Are you kidding me? I'm the one who saved you.
Sebastian, I don't know how you caught that. That was like supernatural speed.
No, it was nothing. You know, I've always had fast reflexes. Oh, God. Bye, Ivy. What are you doing? Huh?
What do I think I'm
Huh?
doing?
What do you do?
The fuck do you think you're doing? You know you're supposed to hide your fucking powers, right?
Don't you ever fucking touch me again.
Yeah, I'm tired of your fucking kind acting like a bunch of fucking attention whores. Oh, I'm a big fucking strong wolf and I have to show the humans how strong I am.
I was protecting her, okay? Fuck.
Are they fighting? I'm so confused. Do they have the hots for each other, or do they hate each other's guts? Or both?
You know, there's something very different about that girl.
So I'm not the only one that thinks she's different.
What's that, huh? No. What's with that look? Listen to me. Until I figure out what's going on with that girl, I want you to stay the fuck away from her, okay? You hear me?
Don't fucking tell me what to do!
Guys, there's no fighting allowed in the gym. Or
Just take me up. Just take me up.
holy shit! Again?
They must be gay.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt you guys. Please continue.
Fuck off me.
They do look cute together.
Well, I just want to give you guys a friendly reminder that there's no fighting allowed in the gym or whatever.
You know, I'm actually going to take a break from class today, Ivy, because someone touched me and now I smell like a wet dog.
Yeah, you know what? Same. You know, some frigid prick touched me and now I have to take a hot shower so I don't get a cold.
Their relationship sounds complicated.
Ivy, it's a pleasure. See you tomorrow.
Wait, is he trying to make me jealous?
Game on, shovel face. Let me ask you something, Ivy. Who are you looking forward to seeing tomorrow more? Me or Zane?
I don't want to get involved, but you're both so hot.
Have an answer for me tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Ivy.
Why is my heart beating so fast? No. Wake up, Ivy. There's no way they'd be into you.
Thank you, everyone. Class dismissed.
Yes.
Those 2 boys.
Something feels off about them.
Ivy, why are you not going home?
Oh, I'm just working on my essay. But I'll be going home soon. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, that was close. My secret is still safe.
Is she hiding something? I'll find out. I knew that bitch had a secret. She's living out of her car. Ivy Stone, you're finished.
Who is that? Mr. Wood? Oh no, this is exactly like my dream.
Rise and shine, Ivy. Oh, you live in your car? How tragic.
Everyone wants front row seats to the freak show.
No, I must still be dreaming. This can't be real.
OMG, you actually live in your car?
Hurry up, homeless bitch. Come out. Come out.
Don't make us come in there, Ivy. Get out here.
Stop. Stop. What are you guys doing? My car. It's all I have left. And now they destroyed it too.
Come on. Give us a smile, Ivy. Show us how much you love your brand new paint job.
Hey, knock it off! All of you's enough. Now go back to class.
Mr. Woods.
Back off, old man.
Before you break a hip. Can we?
No, don't
Get
touch
off me!
Don't
Get off
touch
me! Get off! Oh!
Huh, who knew punching oldies was gonna be this much fun?
Stop! You guys are all gonna get expelled for this!
Oh, Ivy, babe, don't you remember? Everyone here except you is rich. The school isn't going to expel one of us for some old janitor like this guy.
Remember embarrassing me yesterday, Ivy? Well, it's payback time, and I think I'll start with your old friend here.
No, okay, stop! Just stop! If you're gonna hurt anyone, just hurt me, okay? Come at me, I'll do whatever you want.
Fine.
Oh.
Grady, give her something she won't forget.
No, what are you doing?
Broke car, broke clothes, and a broke bitch.
Come here. Now, drink this.
Ooh.
Get a load of this clown.
Say it, bitch. Admit you're nothing but a skank ass hoe.
I'm nothing but a skank asshole.
This won't do. I have to go get help.
Listen, Chalkface, when are you gonna move out of my penthouse?
You think I want to live with you? You know that if the council wasn't taking this treaty so seriously and forcing us to go to the same school and forcing us to live in the same house, that I wouldn't be anywhere near your stinky ass mutt.
Well, why can't you just move somewhere else?
Why do I have to move out? I'm much older than you, and that's the only penthouse anywhere near this school. You move out.
All right, well, how about this, huh? How about me and you, we make a bet. Loser moves out, winner stays.
A bet? Be 12?
First person to get with Ivy wins.
Get with Ivy?
Yeah.
You gonna make a bet on her virginity? You're fucking disgusting.
What's wrong with you? We'd never make a bet on Ivy's virginity. Have some class. Talking about something like maybe... How about first person to get a kiss wins?
No. No.
What, are you scared?
Fine. I'll take your bet. Loser moves out.
Okay. Hold on. Something's wrong.
You okay?
It's Ivy. She's in trouble.
What?
Help! The parking lot! It's Ivy! She's hurt!